Adjusting the seats on the EcoSport is a manual process as well. As you can see here, we've got a headrest down. There is a button on the outside here. We're going to press that in order to be able to fold the headrest down. There's one on the left side and on the right side here. So, folding that down. Now, in order to get the seats down, there's a button at the top here as well. Oh, there we go. You can see it there. You can see it. Just the button tip. Just the tip. There we go. So we're going to press the button here and push forward. And we've got the one seat down. As you can see here, actually, let's throw the seat down as well. So as you can see here, there is a big lip between the top and the bottom here. So what we can do is we can take this tray out, and then we can lock it in order to get more of a flat surface. Now, if you need a little bit more space from there, you can adjust the back seat one other way. Let's figure out how. There we go. Actually, let's pull you around to the side here because you're going to need to see one little thing. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to lift the seat back up here. Now, right here, there's a little tab that we can pull on, and what that's going to do is that's actually going to crank this seat up. Now, when we do that, what we can do now is lower this seat back down. And all of a sudden, we've got some more space there. So as you can see, left side versus right side there. Let's take a peek at the back here as well. So as you can see, if you need a little bit more space there, you can do that just by slightly adjusting the seats. It does make a little bit of a difference between